Hi guys and welcome to this very special video from Digit.in. We are in Barcelona for the launch of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and you see both the smartphones in front of me right now. The Galaxy S9 features a 5.8-inch Quad HD Plus display, while the Galaxy S9 Plus features a 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus display. Both are infinity displays like the last year's Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. In terms of specs, the Galaxy S9 features 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, all the way up to 256 GB of storage, whereas the Galaxy S9 Plus features 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage again, all the way up to 256 GB of storage. Both phones will come with two processor variants, that is the Snapdragon 845 and Exynos 9810. Both phones will come with two processor variants, that is the Snapdragon 845, which will feature internationally, and the Exynos 9810, which will most probably be the one that's coming to India. In terms of battery life, the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus vary with only 500 mAh of battery. So the Galaxy S9 features 3000 mAh battery, whereas the S9 Plus features 3500 mAh battery. Both are capable of wireless fast charging, and Samsung has created a new wireless fast charging pad that you can purchase separately while you're purchasing the S9 and the S9 Plus. So what's the biggest deal about the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus is the camera of the smartphones. Both smartphones are capable of 960 FPS slow motion, which is a hint that they've taken from previous Sony Xperia flagship smartphones. What's also cool about both phones is that they feature variable aperture, that is f1.5 and f2.4, which you can switch between manually. So your wider f1.5 aperture will allow for more light onto the sensor and better low light photography, whereas the f2.4 will make for good portrait images. So those were the two Galaxy S9 flagship smartphones that were launched here in Barcelona. Both the S9 and the S9 Plus will go on pre-order starting March the 16th, and these pre-orders will go up globally, but we'll have to wait and watch by when do we get to see these in India.